And then, Robert, can you tell us a little bit more about those orange terminals at the bottom?
Yeah, exactly. So you can take them off. So in principle, you don't need to open the box to wire it. So you don't have to put any wires inside the box, and then you have to wire it inside where you don't have a lot of space. You have these connectors which you can take off, so you can wire it. You have them for the DSO control, right? So for analog, for digital inputs and outputs. As Nicolas said, you have a power supply, but then as we also said, you have these Ethernet ports here outside. We can have them as a standard AJ45 connectors, but we can also have them so you can directly
wire the earth cables.
Yeah, wire the when you have in German Erdkabel connected, you can directly wire it. So your electrician or the one who is installing it doesn't have to open the box, right? And it's really simple, and it's failure proof to install it.